Text: How to change cross balance in Beltone HearMax app. A close-up of a cell phone held in the left hand while open to the HearMax app all-around page. The page shows R and L sides of the speaker control are set to the same volume as noted by the blue dots on the line, and the speaker icons are set to silent. A right-hand finger taps the status button with the hearing aid icon at the bottom of the screen. The screen displays icons of the hearing aid, headshot outline and a cell phone, showing the links between the left and right sides. A finger points to the graphic labeled right and then taps the home button at the bottom of the screen. The image on the screen goes back to the all-around page and the finger holds down the blue dot for the R right side and moves it slightly to the right, as the display counts upwards from 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9. Logo: Beltone. Two icons are at the bottom of the screen. Download on the Apple App Store is on the left, and get it on Google Play is on the right. Text: Copyright 2023 GN Hearing A /S all rights reserved. Beltone is a trademark of GN Hearing A /S Apple. The Apple logo and iPhone are trademarks of Apple Incorporated, registered in the US and other countries. App Store is a service mark of Apple Incorporated, registered in the US and other countries. Google Play and the Google Play logo are trademarks of Google LLC.